Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and there were lots of items for gift ideas that popped up this week. So let's dive in. I'm starting off in catering, and we know the items have gone up to $2, but they have new products. All these clear plastic products are now available in white. Yes, they are available in white. We've been spray painting and customizing these. Now we don't have to. So I just showed you the large bowl. Here is the 4-compartment serving container with the center part for all of your dipping sauces. This is another one that is now available in white. Now, they also have some of the drink containers. These are the tumblers. These do come in a 10 pack. So you get 10 of these cups in the color white, and you can get those all for just $2, same price as the clear version. Check out this nice fluted bowl. This is one of the favorites that's in clear. They now have it in white. I can't count how many times I painted mine white. Now you don't have to. You can already get it in white for all of your decor and DIY projects. They do have a large tray now. This one is now in the color white that coordinates with the remainder of the set. This is a nice size tray too. You could put all kinds of items on here, some hors d'oeuvres and treats for the holidays. Now, not only do they have white, they also have them in black. Look at Dollar Tree expanding. So now here is the large black tray that kind of goes along with the collection. I love the black and white theme that they're going with. You could also get those tumbler cups in a 10 pack. They have those as well in the color black. And I know that these can be used for some DIYs and projects as well. I also saw the fluted bowl in black. Now, I did pick up a few of these little catering items for DIYs. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we know when something comes out, it usually goes pretty quick. So I added it to my crafting stash. Now, over in the kitchen section, I found more of those character items, and this time it was these silicone trays. You could get them in SpongeBob, Smurfs, Garfield, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You can use them for ice, candies, treats, all kinds of things. These are $1.50. I also found a few more of the silicone trivets. This time I found Minnie Mouse and I found Stitch. These are $1.50. These are great if you need something to use in the kitchen. I also found these straws as well. So this is different themed straws, and they have a little cap with a different character on each of them. I saw 4 different styles of these straws. I found them over near the baby section, but you would probably also find them in the kitchenwares. You guys, these are really cute, and they're long, so they will go with tumblers. Now, last week I showed you a bunch of the CWC products. This week I found the spoonula. That was one of the pieces I had missing. All I'm missing now is the dough mixer. Once I get the dough tool, I will have all of the pieces in the collection, so I'm still on the hunt for that. Now, over in health and beauty, I found some new items that would be perfect for gift baskets. Spa Apothecary has come out with these really nice body washes. So you can get one in this sugar plum. They also have it in hot cocoa. Really pretty. Look at the bottle on this. It really does look high end. I really love the design of these items. Now, to go along with these body washes, they also have body scrubs. So they do have the sugar plum and the hot cocoa body scrubs to go along with those bottles. Now, last week I did show you some wipes. They did have some sugar plum wipes, and I think there is even a sugar plum hand sanitizer. So you can put together a bunch of these things into a gift basket, and they'll all be matching and coordinating. I finally found some more hand sanitizers. This time I found the peach and the confetti cake. I'm still on the hunt for the champagne and the sugar plum and all of the other ones. So hopefully I'll find those soon as well. Now, some more global beauty care products have showed up. This time, this is the Rose Face Milk. I've never seen this product, brand new, just hit the shelves at my stores. And right next to it, they have this one. This is the Milky Facial Hydrator. This is for moisturizing and refreshing, and this one comes in a spray bottle. Another global beauty care item at Dollar Tree. These are $1.25 along with all the other health and beauty items. Now check this out. These are neat. These are Alice in Wonderland body scrubs, another $1.25 item. They have them in different little scents. So you can get them in sugared lemon, coconut rose, and you can also get that in vanilla shea. I love the containers. It's really nice. I think wrapping this up in a bow and a ribbon and just handing it out as little gifts would be so super cute. Again, they're just $1.25, so why not? Now, I've been hearing a lot about this Pro Silk lotion here. This is a 24-hour moisturizing lotion. I found it in this creamy cashmere. It does smell amazing. So yes, if you're on the hunt for this, take a look out for it. I only found this scent, but hopefully I will find the rest. Global Beauty Care has another gift collection. This one is so cute. So this one is red velvet, and they do have it in the sugar scrub. They also have this one. This one is the body wash with a sweet cherry and shea butter kind of scent. And they have this. These are mini bath pearls. I've never seen mini bath pearls in any set at the Dollar Tree. Very new. So I think that's a unique touch to this collection and would make a great gift. I found this River and Row Honey Rescue Foot Glaze. I've never seen this before. Very interesting. So this is got some ceramides and floral extracts in it for nourishing and renewing. Give that one a try as well. Now, if you like plant-based shower powders, the Dollar Tree has come out with a bunch of them. This is by Natural Scents. They have Midnight Bloom, Fresh Scent, Brazilian Sun. They even have like a soft vanilla. Now, these are absorbent and paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free. So if you're looking for something along that line in a new shower powder, you can get these for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. They also have some sets here. This is a Sour Patch lip balm and lip gloss sets. I love when they have sets. These are great for gifts as well. Now, not only did they have the Sour Patch, I did find the Jolly Rancher in a cherry version. This one also has the lip balm and the lip gloss tied on with a ribbon on top of a gift, added to a stocking. So many different ideas. Now, I found this Stitch set too. Now, in this Stitch set, they had a scented lip balm and scented nail polish. That's interesting. So they have that one in Stitch. Now, I did find one that was Moana as well. This one also comes with the scented lip balm and the nail polish as well. So these all come in sets. I'm not sure if there's any more. I'll be on the lookout, but these are all just $1.25. Now this Eshante, I believe I'm saying that right. This Eshante brand and the Sophie brand are popping up at Dollar Tree. Their hair clips, I have to say, I have really been enjoying using them, and they seem very nice, especially for my thick curly hair. They have so many of them. So when I came across this display, they had some new ones I had never seen before, also some returning favorites, and I wanted to mention them because we are starting to get gifts together. So look, they had so many colors. If you wanted to go neutral, they have that. They even have some bright colors like this blue with a paint speckle design. You can get that paint speckle design in a bunch of different designs at Dollar Tree as well. They have one that's in the shape of a flower that is really fun. So if you look around, I'm sure that the inventory will vary by store. And plus, this says 14 plus on the front. So if you're shopping for an angel tree recipient, you always want to keep those age ranges in mind. So yes, definitely take a look at that. They had a bunch of different colors to choose from. So make sure you check out the hair accessories. They're just $1.25. You can even get them in this nice rustic color. I think that one is neat as well. Over in the baby section, they had some new toys as well. This is a little rattle toy and a little elephant. Let me tell you, these are so really cute, and it does have a little Velcro strap on there in case you want to attach it to a stroller or a baby carrier for $1.25. They also had these. This was really neat. This is a silicone teething mitt. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but it's been a long time since I've had a baby. So yes, they had that for $1.25. Now, if you're looking for something that's easily clipped onto you a carrier, they did have these. These are some crinkle star with a minky dot kind of designs here. They also have this in a moon as well. So if you wanted to get those in like crinkle type of decor or toy, you could get that. And just a heads up, the Guru Nanda Hydramate kids drinks are all scanning at 63 cents. So if you're looking to stock up on these electrolyte drinks, you can grab them now for 63 cents. Now, for food items, I showed you the wafer rolls in a tent, but this week I found them in a box. So they have these. This one is in a dark chocolate. And then right down the aisle, I found the same brand with chocolate hazelnut. These are great additions to gift bags and gift boxes. And it's on the cheap. They're only $1.25 for the food items. So yes, definitely keep those in mind when putting together gifts for the holidays. The Viscolata Pias are back. You guys, I saw these last year. They disappeared really quick. They're back. I found the ones that are raspberry filled. I also found the ones that are chocolate filled. Now, the only one I didn't find so far are the orange filled, but I'm going to give it a little time. They'll probably show up as well. And these are great to add to a gift basket too for that cookie lover. Funfetti cake mixes by Pillsbury. Let me tell you guys, even though these have a Halloween design on them, it's basically generic in the design. You don't have to use it for Halloween, and you don't have to use the creepy eyeballs and things. They had it in green and an orange theme, but let me tell you, green can be for Christmas, orange can be for Thanksgiving, but they did have these and they're in date and fresh January of 2027. They also have the coordinating frosting. Again, the frosting is solid green and solid orange. You don't have to use the Halloween sprinkles if you don't want to. Throw it on the shelf. It's good to 2027. $1.25 for these items. Now, if you're looking to make a novelty size of the knockoff famous bear cup, grab a honey bear from Dollar Tree. I think that these would work great if you want to make a novelty version. I found some beverages as well I've never seen before. So these are by J79. These are 100% juice. This one here is the pineapple juice, and it's in a large 16.7 ounce container. These are $1.25. Now they also have it in mango as well. Now these are 100% juice. Never seen these before. They were stocking them as I walked down the aisle, but I had to get a picture of them just in case I missed out on them on my next round. Now they did not forget the pets. They have the Spot brand cat pets this time. They had dog before, but now they have the cat chips. So they have the Cape Cat. That is a spin on the Cape Cod. They have the Puritos, a spin on Doritos or Puritos. That's a spin on Doritos. And then another version that they have are the Lazy Kitties chips. Now I'm loving that they have them for the cats as well. And I know when I featured the ones for the dogs, people were like, well, what about the kitties? Well, they came through. The best thing, these are just $1.50 a piece, you guys. The same price as the dog version. So if you're looking to get these for your cat, you definitely can for $1.50. Now I checked online, went straight to Chewy, and Chewy had them for $7.72 a piece. Get them for $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. Now they did still have some dog toys out, and these are restocks. Let me tell you, when these first were out, a lot of them did sell, but they are back and fully stocked. They must know it's Christmas time and we have stockings for the fur babies. So they had a bunch of the different stuffed toys that you could use for your dogs. So you can see they had the guitars, they had all different sizes, and I love that they have a large and a small because different breeds are different sizes. So they do have multiple different sizes of each one of these, just like this large cassette tape. Yes, they have a small version right here, so you could use it for your smaller breed animals. And some of them even come with a rope tie to kind of keep the animals busy, and engaged. So they have different activities. But yes, they are fully stocked on those as well. Now check out this pig with the Pink Floyd on it. Another item that was really popular last year that's back. And of course they have to bring back the Elvis. And these are all $1.50. Now I have been looking for a large dry erase board eraser for a long time, full size. Finally found one, and it's magnetic for $1.25. Another random item, these ramen noodlies. Now, I remember seeing some in a takeout Chinese box, but now they have them in a brick style. These are just fun items to keep your hands busy. You could tie them, you could stretch them, just kind of keeping your hands busy. They're usually sold up by the register, so they are $1.50, but there is a big pack. Now, I went to the Shilling website where they're manufactured. They're $2.99 there, so get them for $1.50 at the Dollar Tree. Now, we've seen these lap trays all the time, but look, they now have two new colors. Check out that pink and that mint at the bottom there. So for $5, you could get two additional colors of these fun trays. Now, the Christmas items are still coming in, and now they're starting to bring in gift boxes of different sizes and shapes. Mailboxes, gingerbread houses, square boxes, and we know when boxes start coming in, inventory kind of starts slowing down, but they do have these hard-sided boxes, which I love to craft with and love to gift give. They even have gift card size boxes with inserts and layers. They even have metal ones. So make sure you're on the lookout for these, and all of these gift boxes are $1.50. And if you're still looking for bags, I saw a new stock of bags just come back to the Dollar Tree. They have this cute one with Santa. Now, this one is returning from last year, but it's absolutely one of my favorites. Love the plaid insert. Very pretty. They do have this one that says Happy Holidays. They also have one with snowflakes also on that, and these are $1.50 for all the holiday boxes and bags at the Dollar Tree. So make sure you look out for these. Now, heads up, this 15-foot garland at Dollar Tree I thought was $1.50, but when I scanned it, it's $1.75. Wow, I never knew that. But I found out by using the price scanner on the new Dollar Tree app. Now, I know not all stores have the price check station, so I love using this to check prices as I shop, and I don't have to worry about any surprises at the register. Now, there is a few items that were $3 that I found that I wanted to feature. One is this 20-count solo cup. This is the clear cups with the holiday designs on them. Now, each one of these packs is $3, just a heads up, and you can find these in the plus section. But if you're looking for Christmas designs in a solo cup version, make sure you check it there. Now, also with the Solo brand, they have plates as well. So I found these plates as well. The plates are in a 22-count package, and they have holiday designs on them, and these are thicker, of course, than the Dollar Tree plates. These are really great for any day, but they do have these for $3. But check it out. I looked at my local store. My Harris Teeter had these for $4.99 for the same exact thing. So that tells you the $3 Dollar Tree price is a good deal. Save the $2 and go there. I hope you find these deals. Now, if you missed my Dollar Tree video last week featuring even more amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check it out now by clicking the playlist in the corner of this video, and you'll see hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.